Hi, this is George from HiTech Legion. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Define XL full tower computer case from Fractal Design. Fractal Design is based in Sweden and is a newcomer to the American marketplace, but they are coming off a string of very impressive awards from European publications. The Define XL comes packaged in a black box with the Fractal Design logo and a singular picture of the Define XL itself. Imposed on the picture of the Define XL is the color of the case. This particular piece is titanium gray. The Define XL is also available in black. On the front of the box, we have a list of some of the key features of the Define XL, stating that it is a full tower case. It has the unique Moduvent feature that lets you choose between optimal silence or optimal airflow. The Define XL also has noise-absorbing material mounted on the side and top panels. It also has a configurable thermal chamber design. What that means, inside of the Define XL, it is broken up into 3 completely separate chambers. One for the power supply, one for 6 hard drives, and a larger chamber for the bulk of your system. The Define XL is capable of holding 14 drives, 10 internal 3.5-inch hard disks, and 4 external 5.25-inch bays. It does come with a 3.5-inch adapter. It offers optimal airflow cooling system with capabilities of 3 front fans, 1 included. It also comes with a top 180mm fan, a rear 140mm exhaust fan, and an optional side fan, either 120 or 140mm. All fans have removable and washable dust filters. The rear of the Define XL box shows a full picture of the interior of the case. It has some close-ups of some of the key features. It shows the rear and top exhaust fans, also the removable hard drive cage. With the hard drive cage out, you open up a lot of area to fit the largest video cards available on the market. A couple of simple specifications are shown: motherboard compatibility with Mini ITX, Micro ATX, Standard ATX, or eATX, 7+1 expansion slots, also tells you that there's no PSU included, and gives you the dimensions of the case. Overall, the packaging of the Fractal Design Define XL is straight, to the point, and tells you everything you need to know without throwing splashy buzzwords all over the packaging. Inside of the box, the Define XL is packaged in a plastic bag with heavy-duty styrofoam end caps to protect it during shipping. Out of the box, the Define XL is a very sleek-looking unit. It's finished entirely in black, with the exception of this piece. The front panel is titanium gray with almost a stainless steel type finish to it. As I say, it's very sleek. The sides have absolutely nothing on them. There's no jutting pieces. It's very, very straightforward. Taking a look up top, you can see the front I/O panel for USB, power button with power light, eSATA, and audio in and out. Opening the front door of the Define XL, we find that the door is lined with noise-absorbing material. This is going to help quiet down the fans and keep things at an optimal silence. 4 optical drive bays, which are easily removable and go back into place just as easily. Below that are the fan cages, which open just that easily. Notice there's one 140mm installed with dust screen with option for a second. This is actually 2 separate chambers. The second fan would cool the bottom chamber for the hard disks. The right side of the Define XL case is a straight black panel. Nothing on it, nothing protruding, no holes, no windows. One thing you will notice, there is a row of vents running down the side of the front panel. That is the intake for your front intake fans. Since you have a solid piece over the front of the case, here's your air intake. The left side of the Define XL does have a cutout for an optional 120 or 140 millimeter fan, and once again, air intake vents for the front intake fans. There's naturally a little bit more going on the back of the Define XL. Starting from the top down, you've got an entire mesh area. This is actually where your top fan exhausts. There's no opening in the top, the fan is angled, exhausts out the back. 140 millimeter rear exhaust fan, I/O opening, 7+1 PCI expansion slots. This is only a slot, naturally it doesn't attach to the motherboard. You can use it for USB riser or any type of riser that is not attached to the motherboard. 2 grommets for liquid cooling, and the opening for the power supply. The bottom of the Define XL features 4 chrome look feet with rubber padding for vibration dampening, as well as a removable dust filter, obviously washable, for your power supply's intake fan. Included with the Define XL, naturally, a manual. Manual's very, very minimal. No pictures. Probably could have used a few illustrations to help you along with some of the aspects. Accessory box. 3.5-inch adapter. Standoff screws, and a fan controller. If you were wondering what to do with that extra expansion slot, it'll go right in.